You can fix the right problem and still waste a lot of money. Let's say you had an ice dam this winter. The roof leaked. You replace the shingles, the leak stops. But the heat loss that created the ice dam, the air movement that carried moisture into the roof assembly, that's still there. Or maybe you notice condensation on your windows. So you replace the windows. They're better, but the moisture balance in the house never changed. Sometimes the issue isn't what you fix, it's when you fix it and what you fix first. Houses are systems, and systems respond to order. When you correct a symptom before correcting the imbalance that created it, you can lock that problem deeper into the structure. In the ice dam example, if the real driver was air leakage from the house into the attic, warm, moist air escaping through ceiling penetrations, then replacing the shingles addresses the damage, not the mechanism. And once the new roof is installed, improving the air control layer becomes harder and more expensive. Now consider the window example. If interior humidity is high because of unmanaged moisture, pressure imbalance, or inconsistent ventilation, new windows may reduce visible condensation, but they don't rebalance the house. In some cases, tighter windows actually reveal the imbalance more clearly because the system didn't change, only the surface did. This is where timing matters. Air control before insulation upgrades, moisture management before cosmetic finishes, bulk water before interior remodels. Each layer you add makes the next correction more complicated. Not impossible, just more expensive. There's a difference between fixing damage and correcting drivers. Damage is visible, drivers are structural. Damage feels urgent, drivers feel conceptual. But long-term cost follows the drivers. The right fix at the wrong time can mean paying twice. Once for the symptom, and once later for the system you meant to correct in the first place. This isn't about fear, it's about order. Houses reward sequence. They punish shortcuts. If you're planning upgrades, start with sequence, not surfaces. Building science explains it. Applied correctly, it fixes it. This is Passive House for the people.